Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications with a huge thumbs up. Today, we're building a PC. Here is the big PC. So, we're going to be using DDR4, 16 gigs. And we're also going to use the Ryzen 7. We're also going to use Samsung 860. Oh, and we have an air fan for the PC. Now we're going to start building it. 2, 1. Here's a time lapse. So guys, please subscribe. And this took me a really long time, and my dad's gonna install the windows in here.
Yeah.
So, once it's ready, we're gonna show you. Maybe it's gonna be the next episode, maybe it's gonna be in another episode, maybe it's gonna even be in another whole different video. And guys, come on in. It's sponsored by my dad, and download Dragon City. You can breed your own dragons, and you can also You can also put them in the battlefield. There's new game modes. There's different game modes, but I haven't tried them out yet. And you can upgrade your dragons more powerful by training them. So if you guys are new, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. So goodbye.